Do you dream of operating big machines? And when I talk about big machines, the likes of the backhoe, the forklift, excavators, the wheel shovels, and many others, Jodan Modern Machinery Training Institute is now here for you. You can learn from 1 machine, 2 machines, or 6 machines at a very affordable fee. Join us today. Our intakes are on every Monday. Kuja usome na sisi, endesha matingatinga. With such skills, you get an opportunity to work locally and overseas. These are hotcake courses or hotcake skills. Welcome to Jodan Modern Machinery Training Institute, the movers in plant operator training. Remember, we are located in Jodan Towers, Thika Town, Kwame Nkrumah Street. You can call us on our numbers, that is 0700-444-443, 0700-444-443. Karibu sana Jodan.